Here's a question that I love to start. I'm curious about 3D printing. Where are we with that right now? What kind of things will it be used for in the next 5 to 10 years? So what's up with 3D printing right now? Yeah.
I mean, it's being used for the coolest thing I'm being used for is for prototyping at SpaceX, right? Where it's being used to, or not for prototyping, at SpaceX where you have to build one rocket, there's certain parts you can build. It's very hard to use it at scale right now just because of the cost and the plants and all that, but it's being used for all kinds of amazing industrial uses right now.
I had students designing their own VR headsets and then 3D printing them, and we got all kinds of really innovative, unusual optics that would have taken, I don't know, a year to fabricate previously. So, yeah. That said, it's still kind of crude, it's kind of slow, it's kind of limited, and it affects the air quality in your lab. So it's not really the sort of toaster thing you bring into your home just yet. It's not the replicator box.
But what about in 5 or 10 years? What does it do in 5 or 10 years that it's not able to do now, do you think?
Well, it's a little unpredictable, actually, because there's a lot of people working on trying to get them to be able to work with a wider range of materials and to be faster and all that sort of stuff. And a lot of the little problems that come up are things like the availability of those materials and how reliable it turns out to be when you expand them and all that. I think we're going to go through a period of stop-start improvement, actually.
Stop-start improvement, and then all kinds of weird decisions, right? Like the possibility of 3D printed guns is one of the things that you have to worry about, what it means for anybody to be able to manufacture anything they want.